Welcome back to another Avalon Guns YouTube video. Today we are at the Avalon Guns store located on the Mendip shooting ground, and if you've arrived to this video wanting free guns, this is exactly what we're doing. These guns are free to demo and test on the Mendip shooting ground. They are all nearly new, they're the current models and they're free to use. Unfortunately not free to be given away, but they're free for you to use. So we're going to run through and show you some of the great guns you can try here. There are many other pre-owned guns which are available to try before you buy. These ones are the latest models which we have as demos. So running through this table, we have Browning 725 Pro Sport. This one is the Black Action Pro Sport. It's adjustable stock, adjustable trigger, and this one is available in 30 and 32 inch barrels. Extended chokes, and just a great clay gun. They're quite a chunky gun, so a bit of weight behind them. This helps reduce the recoil. Really big palm swell here, and a really pretty gun, really nice woodwork. Black action with the gold finishing. Very popular and always out on demo. Next one to show you is a Browning 525 Sporter laminate. This model has, of course, the laminate stock and forend. It's in grey, it stands out from the crowd. It does get some attention. Adjustable stock again, adjustable trigger. Again, available in 30 and 32 inch length barrels. This comes with extended chokes, a set of 5 chokes and key supplied in the box. Next one to show you is one for the ladies or girls that might be interested in shooting. So this one is a Browning 525 Liberty Light. So the Liberty Light is an alloy action, so it's very lightweight. It's got a Monte Carlo style stock, so it's slightly higher for high cheekbones. It's got a negative toe, so it's cut at an angle so it doesn't dig in. And we've got the smaller pistol grip here for a much more comfortable feel. This one's available in 28 and 30 inch barrels. Again, multi-choke, comes with a set of 5 extended chokes and choke key in the case. Next one to show you is the Yildiz Pro Black. So this is a Turkish made gun, unlike the previous Japanese Brownings we showed you. This comes with really pretty woodwork. Again, adjustable stock, larger pistol grip, very comfortable. Plain action, which is black, which you can't really go wrong with. Very popular these are at the moment. They've got extended and flush fitting chokes included with those. Well worth a try if you haven't already. Last one to show you on this table is a Italian made breeder shotgun. This one has the silver action with adjustable stock. It's again available in 30 and 32 inch length barrels. Extended multi-chokes, comes with a set of chokes with that one. On the heavier side for shotguns, but it is minimal on the recoil, so very comfortable, great handling gun. Over to table number 2 to show you some of the other guns we've got here. So Italian made Caesar Guarini. This one is a Invictus Free. So we've got colour hardened action, that's why it's this bluey colour. Gold finish on the engraving, very nice woodwork, as these all come with. This one is a little bit different. It's a 34 inch barrel, very long. It's a little bit different to handle and hold, worth trying. Next one, moving on to Berettas. This one is a 694, one of the latest clay models they've got. Adjustable stock. This is available in 28, 30 and 32 inch here. Extended multi-chokes, comes with a set of 5, as they all do. That's adjustable. We do have another model, same gun, which has the non-adjustable stock if you want to try both. Jumping over to this one, this is a Turkish made, very good value. One of the most popular sellers here. It's an ATA SP. So the SP is available in silver, black or bronze action. We mainly have silver and black here. You've always got a nice level of wood really. Available 28 and 30 inch barrels. They're all multi-choke. They all come with a set of 5 chokes, so you've got the choice there in the box. This particular one is a ladies gun again, so similar to the Browning, we've got a slightly higher Monte Carlo stock. We've got the smaller pistol grip here for smaller hands. We've got these in the standard men's, and we've got this ladies one to use. So that's a great one to take out. Over to this one, again Turkish made. This is called Kofs, Kofs. This is the Kofs Skepta, scroll silver alloy action. This is available in 12 bore, 20 bore, 28 bore and 410. So you'll sport for choice on the caliber sizes. What's good about these is you can spec a junior stock or a full size stock. So full size is 14.5 inches, the length of pull from the trigger to the end. The junior stock is 13.5, so inch shorter if you're getting into shooting a bit younger. That one's a 20 bore. We have got 20, 28 and 410, which is what the last gun on the table here is. So you can try multiple calibers here. They're all free to use, as we said. If you have seen any guns you would like to try in this video, please give us a call. You can come down to the Mendip store and take them out on the Mendip Shooting Ground range. Different disciplines available here: skeet, sporting, trap, pro sport, FITASC, lots of different difficult things to shoot at. If you'd like to book to avoid any disappointment and make sure the right gun's here, you can call us or email us. The details are on our website for where you need to get in contact. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll see you next time.